On everyone, got a 2022 Ford Escape, and we're going to replace the remote battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote. You have a button right here that you're going to push, and then you can pull the emergency key right out the bottom of the remote. And we're going to flip it over. We're going to take off this back panel that we have right here. It's going to use a flathead screwdriver, stick it in here sideways, just pry this back panel right off. Okay. I'll just pop and click and turn the remote upside down. And there's a little slot right here. Okay, we're going to just use a flathead screwdriver and pry this battery out. This is a big battery. I'm going to show you what size it is. It's a little different from the normal. It's a CR2450, and notice the positive sign here is facing out. I'm going to stick it in the side first and then click it right in there. I'm going to have a link down in the description box. Check that out if you need a battery. It takes you to Amazon. Yeah, check that out. And we're just gonna get the back cover, and all we do is just pop it right back on here and then get the emergency key, slap it on in. If it goes in, we're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.